Hello, I've just come back from 3 exciting days at the OpenStack Summit in Barcelona. And this year I really wanted to find out if OpenStack is enterprise ready and if they've seen good adoption in the enterprise. And I found some proof points that OpenStack has made big steps forward for enterprise readiness. First of all, they've been really working on interoperability, and they had a very fun interoperability demo at the keynote, which you can see in the keynote videos, where 16 partners of the OpenStack ecosystem have actually installed the same application on their OpenStack clouds at the same time, and it worked beautifully. So, and that's of course important for enterprise customers, because you don't want to have lock-in when you go to OpenStack, because the premise of open source is actually that you use a standards-based technology and you can switch between the different OpenStack distributions as you please, and that's now possible. So that's number one. The other very important proof point that I found is that there are now 20 OpenStack-based cloud instances or cloud data centers available in Europe. So if you are a European organization, you can choose between 20 different clouds in different countries, so that you can extend your on-premise OpenStack deployments with public cloud services that are also based on OpenStack. And that of course makes it much easier to create a hybrid cloud environment. And the third point that's very important for enterprise customers is that we see the option now to really run a hybrid IT environment, where you can either run bare metal services. So for example, analytics workloads, big data workloads, they really crave the performance of running on bare metal servers. So that is possible through the OpenStack Ironic project. You can also run them in containers, and there are 3 container projects from the OpenStack community that help you to either run or deploy container clusters on OpenStack, or to deploy OpenStack in containers, or thirdly to deploy containerized applications on OpenStack through an application catalog. So there's plenty of opportunity to combine the different styles of IT on OpenStack. And then the fourth point that's also very important is around enterprise features like high availability, data protection and security that have also matured significantly at the conference. So overall, I'm very positive that OpenStack is now being deployed in very large customers, enterprise customers in Europe, like BMW, Volkswagen. Deutsche Telekom has built the Open Telecom Cloud based on OpenStack. And Banco Santander and BBVA were also case studies at the summit. So OpenStack is getting more and more ready for enterprise adoption. Thank you.